What makes a person truly successful? Is it wealth, fame, or perhaps something more profound? Success, a word that carries numerous interpretations, is often perceived as the pinnacle of achievement. Yet, its true essence transcends material possessions and societal accolades. The journey towards success is a fascinating exploration, steeped in personal growth and transformation. In this journey, there exist 8 powerful laws that have the potential to revolutionize lives. Success is a journey, not a destination, and it is governed by certain laws. Let's delve into these 8 powerful laws of success. The first law of success is the law of vision. It states that our future becomes what we envision it to be. Imagine your goals vividly, and the universe will conspire to make them happen. Next, we have the law of action. Dreaming alone isn't enough. You must take concrete steps towards your goals. Action turns vision into reality. The third law is the law of persistence. Success doesn't always come easy. You must stay the course, remain committed, and persist through the challenges. Then we have the law of prioritization. Time is a limited resource. Knowing what to prioritize is key in achieving your objectives. Do what matters most first. The fifth law is the law of adaptation. This law acknowledges that the path to success is rarely a straight line. Be flexible, adapt, and pivot as necessary. Next is the law of positivity. A positive mindset can overcome many hurdles. Positivity fuels resilience and keeps you moving forward. The seventh law is the law of learning. Embrace knowledge and never stop learning. The more you know, the more you grow. Finally, we have the law of passion. Love what you do. Passion ignites the spark that keeps you going even when things get tough. These laws are not just theories, but practical guidelines that, when applied, can lead to transformative changes in our lives. Now you may wonder, how have these laws changed my life? Well, let me share a few personal anecdotes. Embracing the law of positivity, for instance, has shifted my perspective massively. I used to be a pessimist, always finding the cloud around every silver lining. But now, I see opportunities where I once saw obstacles. Then there's the law of action. There was a time when I was all talk and no action. But realizing that success demands action, I started making moves, and boy did it make a difference. The law of persistence taught me the value of perseverance. I used to give up at the first sign of difficulty, but now I push through, knowing that every setback is a setup for a comeback. And let's not forget the law of value. Understanding that giving brings greater joy than receiving transformed my relationships and made me a better person. So, success isn't just about reaching a particular goal. It's about the journey, the growth, and the person you become in the process. Remember, the power to succeed lies within you.